Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and insights on how to improve your life and relationships. Today, I want to tell you a story that illustrates how to recognize and handle manipulative relationships. This story is about Lisa, a young woman who fell in love with Mark, a charming and charismatic man. Lisa thought she had found her soulmate, but soon she realized that Mark was not who he seemed to be. Mark was a manipulator, who used various tactics to control, exploit, and abuse Lisa. He lied to her, gaslighted her, guilt-tripped her, blamed her, shamed her, threatened her, and played the victim. He also isolated her from her friends, family, and other sources of support. He made her feel like she was worthless, crazy, and dependent on him. Lisa was trapped in a cycle of abuse, where Mark would hurt her and then apologize, only to repeat the same behavior. She felt confused, insecure, guilty, and hopeless. She didn't know how to get out of this toxic relationship, or if she even deserved better. But one day, Lisa decided to take back her power. She realized that she was not the problem, Mark was. She recognized the signs of manipulation, and how they affected her mental and emotional health. She learned how to protect herself from Mark's influence, and how to set boundaries and assert her needs. She reached out to her friends, family, and a therapist for help and support. She planned her escape, and finally broke up with Mark. She cut off all contact with him, and blocked him from her phone, social media, and email. She focused on healing herself, and rebuilding her self-esteem, identity, and values. Lisa's story is not unique. It's also the story of Rihanna and Chris Brown, Kate Moss and Pete Doherty, Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez, and Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. Depp met Heard on the set of Room Express. He had already been married to Vanessa Paradis for 14 years, with whom he had 2 children. They were a couple beloved by the public, unlike the one he had with young Heard in 2011. Their separation revealed a dark underbelly of domestic and mental violence. Many people, like you, may have experienced or are experiencing manipulative relationships. And if you are, then you need to know that you are not alone, and you are not to blame. You deserve respect, love, and happiness. You have the right to choose who you want to be with, and how you want to be treated. You have the power to change your situation, and to free yourself from manipulation. I hope this story has inspired you, and given you some insights on how to recognize and handle manipulative relationships. If you want to learn more about this topic, please check out the links in the description below, where I have shared some useful resources and articles. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. It really helps me grow this channel and reach more people who need this information. Thank you for your support. Until next time, take care of yourself, and stay strong.